The human brain, it's a mysterious and complex organ. It's the command center of our bodies. The brain allows us to think, feel, and experience the world. Imagine a vast universe filled with billions of stars. This is what the brain looks like under a microscope, with billions of neurons firing away. These neurons send messages throughout our bodies. They tell our muscles to move. They help us process information. Understanding the brain is crucial. It helps us understand what makes us human. The human brain is like a puzzle with different parts working together. It's divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right. The left hemisphere controls language and logic. The right hemisphere is responsible for creativity and spatial awareness. Each hemisphere is further divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The frontal lobe is responsible for planning and decision-making. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch and temperature. The temporal lobe handles hearing and memory. The occipital lobe processes visual information. The cerebral cortex is the outermost layer of the brain. It's responsible for higher-level thinking, like reasoning and problem-solving. This wrinkled surface is what makes us unique as humans. It allows us to think critically, plan for the future, and engage in complex social interactions. Imagine the cerebral cortex as a conductor of an orchestra. It receives information from different parts of the brain and coordinates a response. This complex interplay allows us to experience the world around us. Deep within the brain lie structures responsible for our emotions and memories. The amygdala, shaped like an almond, processes fear and other emotions. The hippocampus, resembling a seahorse, plays a crucial role in forming new memories. These structures are interconnected. Emotional experiences can influence what we remember. For example, we tend to remember events more vividly if they were accompanied by strong emotions. Section 5. The control room, brainstem and cerebellum. The brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential functions like breathing and heart rate. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, is responsible for balance, coordination, and motor control. Think of the brainstem as the engine room of a ship, keeping everything running smoothly. The cerebellum acts as the navigator, ensuring our movements are precise and coordinated. Section 6. The symphony of senses, how we perceive the world. Our senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, allow us to experience the richness of the world. Specialized areas in the brain process these sensory inputs. For instance, the visual cortex in the occipital lobe processes information from our eyes. The brain integrates these sensory experiences into a cohesive whole. This allows us to enjoy a delicious meal, appreciate a beautiful sunset, or recognize a familiar face. Section 7. Brainpower, recent discoveries and research. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the brain. Advancements in brain imaging techniques like fMRI allow us to see the brain in action. Researchers are studying topics like consciousness, memory formation, and neurodegenerative diseases. For example, scientists are learning more about how the brain changes as we age. They are developing new therapies for conditions like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Section 8. Fun facts about your amazing brain. Here are some fun facts about the brain. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds. It contains about 86 billion neurons. Information travels through the brain at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. The brain is more active at night than during the day. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. These facts highlight the incredible capabilities of this remarkable organ. Section 9. The brain-life connection, applying knowledge in everyday life. Understanding the brain can help us in our daily lives. For example, we can adopt brain-healthy habits like getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and eating a balanced diet. We can engage in activities that challenge our brains, like learning a new language or playing a musical instrument. By taking care of our brains, we can improve our cognitive function, enhance our mood, and live fuller, healthier lives. The brain is a complex and fascinating organ, and the more we learn about it, the better equipped we are to unlock its full potential.